Okay, to understand everything better, let us make an example. We have a source which makes every 2 seconds a wave, and the velocity of wave is 4 meters per second. This particle, which we consider it as a source because our wave has collided with the particle and is bouncing back, we consider this particle as our source, is coming toward us. So this is our particle at 0 time 0, there is only the particle, and at time 1, and then in the second our particle begins to exist. So, but it has not traveled, so it is here and has not left the particle. 1 second later, at third second, it has traveled 4 meters. 1 second later, it is at time 4, our wave has traveled another 4 meters and is at place 8 meters away from the particle. And our wave 2 begins to exist but has not traveled. 1 second later, our first wave is 4 meters away again, and our second wave has also traveled 4 meters. 1 second later, it is another 2 seconds. We are here with the wave 1, wave 2 is here, and third wave begins to exist but has not traveled. What here you have seen and you have definitely noticed is that it is not after 2 seconds my first wave is at 4 meters away, but it takes the travel time of the wave also. We have to consider this t here is not only the period, because we also have the travel time. So t is not period and is time. And our t is equal to period plus travel time. So I can say at time 4 seconds, which is 3 plus 1, my velocity is equal to 4 and distance is equal to 8, and by remembering v is equal to distance over time, we can change velocity and time, and I get time is equal to distance divided by velocity, which would give me 3 plus 1 is equal to the distance of 8 divided by 4. And since numerically it is not correct because 4 is not equal to 2, and this t is only our time, we say it is defined t 3 plus 2 is equal to this. So at time 4, the distance is 8. Now let's make it a little bit more interesting, and let's assume the particle is moving. I have this particle, and at time is equal to, my particle has produced signal, after 1 second it has traveled 4 meters. Okay, I have drawn the boundaries in which my wave was, and it has traveled another 4 meters away. Okay, the dotted purple line means where my first wave was, and the second purple circle means after production of the second wave, my first wave has traveled this much, another second 4 meters. Each one of these 4 meters is equal to 1 lambda. This is also 1 lambda. And since our lambda is diameter of a circle,